to play lots of golf and spend time with the grandkids.
I don't have grandkids.
Well, now's your chance to get some.
He whacked me with a pillow. Hard. I'm dizzy and I have serious short-term memory loss.
I'm a crazy pizza man who juggles and sings. Oh, when the saints go marching in.
Yes, how to say this delicately. You're a horrible roommate and nobody in this house likes you.
Let's frame our statements with, when you do this, it makes me feel this.
Fine, okay, let's see. When you live here, it makes me feel angry. Because you're a horrible roommate and nobody in this house likes you.
Meteors are shooting stars. We shouldn't be running. We should be making wishes. I wish for a pony.
And I wish you'd take cover.
What a robust mustache you have, Colonel Grumpkin.
Why, thank you, Madam Stinkbottom.
Ooh, let me see.
Oh, wait, I can't read.
Turn. 1, 2, step. 1, 2, dip. Why is the music controlling us? I'm not your puppet, music master. I'm not your puppet!
Yeah, I think she's ready.
Why do I even bother with you guys?
This is my male consort. And if you don't like him, I'll knock you out.
Fine. But I'm not wearing pants.
Thank you! Thank you!
Hmm?
What an elegant scent.
Oh.
Keep them coming. I can do this all day.
A girl needs the essentials. Cab fare, lip balm, picture of a platonic friend that you have no romantic interest in. This rock would make a perfect focusing lens for my hyperexo magnifier. All I need is a refracting chamber and an influx reflector. Right, Knuckles?
Do you use big words just to make me feel, what's that word that means not smart?
Obtuse?
Yeah, see? That's what I'm talking about.
Oh well, coming. Forgot this spoon.
Luck!
Skill.
Luck!
Skill. Like the way I beat you in this argument just now.
You didn't win yet because I'm still saying the word luck. Luck!
What are you doing? We should fight this way.
No, this way. The natural direction of the fight is taking us left.
Yes, we should go left. My left.
No, my left.
My left. You're right.
I know I'm right. We should go left. That's the right left.
That doesn't even make any sense.
Awkward?
Awkward.
It'll just be another minute.
Get in the hedgehog harness.
What? No way! If you tell anyone about this...
Hey, this wall tastes like dirt.